How to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You could do this by heading over to your app store in the search box, typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, what we're going to do is we're going to simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. In order to replay a certain disappearing video, let's say, as you can see, if I go ahead and select this chat right over here, I've actually received a disappearing photo as well as video. If I go ahead and play them, and then there could be an option to actually replay it, but keep in mind that you can only replay a disappearing video if the creator themselves have allowed it. So for example, let me show you how this is going to look like. If I go to this camera icon, and then if I record a video, and once I record a video, only if I have allowed allow replay at the bottom left and then send this, that person will be able to replay this video. If they've set it to, let's say, view once, and you send it, and then that person will only be able to view them once. So there is no way that you could view them the second time if they've selected view once. So but anyway, if they've set, most likely by default it is going to be set to your allow replay. So in order to do that, first of all, I'll go ahead and simply open up the photo right over here. You can see this is a certain photo which I have received in the disappearing message, and you can see that this is a particular video. Now let's say I want to actually replay them. So as you can see, it is actually replaying itself over and over again until you don't go ahead and then turn off the loop. It is going to go ahead and then repeat in a loop format, and basically by default you can do that as well, or else you can view them one more time because that person have allowed replay. So in order to view them one more time, you can see previously the option was great in blue color, but now it's in white color. So go ahead and play them, but this is the maximum number of times because now you can see that option has been grayed out and it has been removed. So if I go ahead and play the video as well the second time, you can see now this option is also basically removed as well. If I come back, and just like that. And this is how you can replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.